Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. All right. So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
So in the last class, we had seen the relationship between beta function and gamma function. I think that was the last thing we did.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now today we are going to see some examples. So
सर
one
पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट भी बताया था आपने सर पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट
तक ही बताया था
क्या सर
पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट के बाद नहीं बताया
नो सर
ऑल राइट
सर पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट में एक डाउट है
हाँ बोलो बेटा बोलो
सर थीटा उसमें सर 0 से लेके π/2 क्यों लिए
फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है हम
यस सर
तो
ओके सर ओके
हाँ और एनी अदर थिंग सो यहां तक हमने कर लिया था बस पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट ही बताया था उसके आगे नहीं बताया था
नो सर
ऑल राइट सो we obtain this particular integral 0 to π/2 0 to infinity r cos theta to the power 2m minus 1 into r sin theta to the power 2n minus 1 into e to the power minus r square into r dr d theta. Is it okay? We can write down by putting values of x and y and changing the limits for r and theta. Can we do that?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can do that. So 4, I can write down it as, because we have theta terms and we have r terms. One integral refers to r only and another integral refers to theta only. So therefore, cos to the power 2m minus 1 theta into sine to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Can I write down? Multiplied by 0 to infinity r to the power 2m plus 2n minus 1 dr. Can I write down it like this? Into e to the power minus r square. Sorry. Can I write down? So this
Yes, sir.
particular integral only depends on theta and this particular integral only depends on r. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I can write on 4 1/2. This is beta function. Mn I can write down. Can I write down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can write down nm, but nm is equal to mn. We know it, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I can write down it like this: multiplied by 0 to infinity r to the power 2m plus 2n minus 1 e to the power minus r square dr. All right? All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what I can write down. All right. So now I can write down
Sir.
4. Huh.
Sir, ये 2m plus 2n minus 2 होगा ना?
And into r भी तो है ना?
नहीं into r था वो कैंसिल
इंटू आर भी तो है ना, आर डी आर डी थीटा। जब हमने dx dy चेंज किया तो आर
Yes,
डी
sir.
आर डी थीटा भी है
Yes,
ना।
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. समझ गया.
सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1/2 बीटा mn। ठीक है। अच्छा, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट। तो लेट अस पुट r स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू t। ओके, तो 2r dr इज इक्वल टू dt। ठीक है, इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So now this will become 1/2 0 to infinity t to the power m plus n minus 1. Can I write down? ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
e to the
sir.
power minus t dt. Can I write down it like this?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is equal to 4 and 4 will cancel out. So this will be beta mn, and this will be nothing but gamma m plus n. Is it or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this was equal to gamma m into gamma n. This is what we were trying to find out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So beta mn is equal to gamma m into gamma n by gamma.
M plus N.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो नेक्स्ट, सो यहां तक सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so example is 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 6 theta d theta. Okay, we have to evaluate this. What will be the value of this? Let us find out. So I know that beta function is defined as twice of 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2m minus 1 theta cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फॉर्म में ऐसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं हम बीटा फंक्शन को।
Yes, sir.
So 2m minus 1 is equal to 0 because यहाँ sin to the power इसको मैं 0 भी लिख सकता हूँ, 0 थीटा। कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है?
No, sir.
So m is equal to 1/2, ठीक है, और cos मतलब 2n minus 1 is equal to 6, so n is equal to 7/2. Can I write down?
Yes, sir.
So it means यहाँ पर बीटा फंक्शन क्या होगा? 1/2 7/2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
This is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 6 theta d theta is equal to this, है ना?
Yes, sir.
राइट?
Yes, sir.
और ये क्या है? इसको मैं लिख सकता हूं गामा फंक्शन, तो गामा m इंटू गामा n बाई गामा m प्लस n. कैन आई राइट डाउन?
Yes, sir.
तो दिस विल बी रूट पाई, क्योंकि गामा 1/2 इज रूट पाई।
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है, गामा 7/2 क्या होगा? 5/2 3/2 1/2 इंटू रूट पाई। इज इट ओके? बाई फैक्टोरियल 4। ठीक है ना? गामा 4, सॉरी, गामा 4 है ना? इज इट ओके?
सर कैमरा को थोड़ा नीचे कर दीजिए।
दिख रहा है अभी?
ओके सर।
हाँ, गामा 4। तो गामा 4 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं?
3 factorial.
3 फैक्टोरियल, है ना? so it means that यहाँ पर मैं डायरेक्टली लिख देता हूँ 3 factorial मतलब 6. Okay, so if I solve it, what will I get? 5 pi by 30. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है, इसको भी मिटा देते हैं, यहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम है कि वी हैव टू इवेल्युएट एन इंटीग्रल 3 to 7 minus 3 to the power 4 7 minus x to the power 1 by 3 dx. All right?
Yes,
All
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let us take an integral that we have an integral to, in order to solve this, we will evaluate one integral a to b x minus a to the power m and b minus x to the power n dx. ये इसी फॉर्म का इंटीग्रल है, यहाँ पर a 3 है और b 7 है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है चेंज, बाकी तो ठीक है ना. m is 4, n is equal to 1 by 3. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So let us solve this first, and we'll find the after form, and then we can solve that. So let us put that z is equal to x minus a. So x is equal to z plus a. Can I write down?
Yes, sir.
And dx is equal to dz. और लिमिट्स क्या
Yes,
होगी?
sir.
When x is equal to a, z is equal to 0. When x is equal to a, z is equal to b minus a. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
x equal to a तो 0, b तो b minus a, right? So these things we know. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then this is equal to 0 to b minus a, z to the power m, b is b minus z plus a to the power n dz. Can I write down it like this?
Yes, sir.
इसको मैं ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूं, b minus a to the power n, 0 to b minus a, z to the power m, 1 minus z by b minus a to the power n dz. Can I write down it like this? Can I write down? लिख सकते हैं ना इसको ऐसे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Simple. So I have written it like this. नेक्स्ट क्या लिख सकते हैं हम इसको? नेक्स्ट क्या लिख सकते हैं हम इसको? क्या लिख सकते हैं? इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं हम, b to the power minus a to the power n 0 to, अच्छा हाँ, अब मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, कर रहा हूँ कि t is equal to z by b minus a पुट कर रहा हूँ, वो तो मैं कर सकता हूँ. Can I do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dt is equal to dz by b minus a. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो अब बस पुट करते हैं वैल्यूज, तो b to the b minus a to the power m into tm, z is equal to b minus a into t, तो इसका to the power m है ना, into 1 minus t to the power n. Is it okay? Into b minus a into dt. Can I write down it like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this can be written as b to the power minus a to the power m plus n plus 1. लिख सकते हैं ना, इसको इसको और इसको मल्टीप्लीकेशन. वी कैन राइट डाउन इट लाइक दिस. एंड 0 to 1 होगा लिमिट, होगा ना लंबा 0 to 1.
Sir, 0 to
Yes,
1.
sir.
ठीक है, तो 0 to 1 t to the power m 1 minus t to the power n dt. ये क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज
गामा
बीटा
फंक्शन बन
फंक्शन.
जाएगा सर।
बीटा फंक्शन है ये,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बीटा m प्लस n, बीटा n प्लस 1 लिख सकता हूं ना मैं ये?
Yes, sir.
तो अब वी विल पुट दिस वैल्यू इनटू दिस. तो ये क्या आ जाएगा? दिस इज इक्वल टू 7 minus 3. b is 7, a is 3, m is कितना है? 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. ठीक है ना? m is
Yes,
4,
sir.
n is 1 by 3 है ना? बीटा m कितना है? 4 plus 1 and 1 by 3 plus 1. ठीक है? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh, just a minute. हाँ खालको जी बोलिए. गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग. हाँ मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ, मैं क्लास के बाद आपको फोन करता हूँ. क्लास के बाद आपको फोन करता हूँ मैं. नहीं 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 नहीं. So I think it is properly visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this can be written as 4 to the power 16 by 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Beta 5 and 7 by 3 na? Sorry, 4 by 3, not 7 by 3. 1 है ना? 4 by 3. Okay. Can I write down it like this? Now
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 to the power 16 by 3. This can be written as, beta can be written as factorial 4. लिख सकते हैं हम इसको. If m is an integer, then we have the formula factorial m minus 1 by n into n plus 1, something like that. We had the
Sir,
formula.
14 by 3 होगा ना?
कौन सा?
16 by 3. 16 by 3.
हाँ 16 by 3 तो लिखा है.
14 by 3 होगा सर वो.
सही है 16/3 होगा। सही है 16/3 होगा।
भाई यहाँ 12 plus 1 plus 3 इतना ही होगा ना.
Sir.
So this is what we will get. So we can write down 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 plus 1 into 4 by 3 plus 2 into 4 by 3 plus 3 into 4 by 3 plus 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is what is the answer. You can solve it and that will be the result. फटाफट सॉल्व करके बताओ क्या आएगा. फोर टू द पावर 16 by 3 ऐसे ही रहने देना, बाकी को करो.
सर 239 आ रहा सर
कितना आ
240
रहा है?
सर 1 मिनट
3 to the power 6 by 7280 into 4 to the power 16 by 3.
Okay, whatever is coming, just that is for your consumption, you can solve it. Okay. Okay, let us look at another example. Zero to one, x to the power 3 by 2, 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2 dx. Okay, it can be written as 0 to 1, x to the power 5 by 2 minus 1, 1 minus x to the power 5 by 2 minus 1 dx. Can be written like this.
Yes, sir.
So is it a beta function
Yes, sir.
where m and n are 5 by 2 and 5 by 2? Okay, we also know the formula for relationship between beta and gamma functions. So here gamma function is gamma 5 by 2 gamma 5 by 2 by gamma 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma into 1 by 2 whole square. ठीक है ना? By factorial 4. Can I write down it like this? That will be gamma 5 and gamma 5 can be written as factorial 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the answer? Answer will be 3 pi by 128. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Check out. Okay, right? So this is another problem which we can actually solve using beta functions. Up till now, you want to ask anything? Do you want to ask anything till now? Whatever I have taught. सब समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the answer will be 3 pi by 96.
Which one?
Previous answer. Third one.
I
3 pi by 96.
I don't think so. Let me just see. 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi whole square. Gamma 1 by 2 is root pi.
The whole square.
And this is 24. Factorial 4 is 24.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 9 by 4 into 1 by 4 into pi by 24. So 3, 8. So this will be 3 pi by 128. Is it okay?
Oh, yes, sir. Okay, sir.
All right. So next example is that we have to prove that 0 to infinity e to the power minus kx x to the power minus n minus 1 dx is equal to factorial n minus 1 by k to the power n, where k is 0 and n is positive. under these conditions, this is what the integration is equal to this. This integral is equal to this. This is what we have to prove. So shall we prove it? Okay, so let me put kx is equal to z. So k dx is equal to dz. Can I write down?
Yes, sir.
And when x is 0, going to 0, z is going to 0. When x is going to infinity, z is also going to infinity. Right?
Yes, sir.
So 0 to infinity, e to the power minus z, okay, into 1 by k to the power n minus 1 into z to the power n minus 1 into 1 by k into dz. All right? Can I write down?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
All right. So if I can write down it like this, then what this integral will turn out to be equal to 1 by k to the power n
Yes, sir.
into 0 to infinity e to the power minus z into z to the power n minus 1 into dz. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is it a gamma function?
Yes, sir. Gamma
Yes,
z.
sir.
Gamma n, right? And what is for n is positive integer, then gamma is factorial n minus 1. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
And therefore this is what the answer. Okay, this is what the proof we had to do, and we did it. Any issues with it?
No, sir.
All right. So now let us solve one more another problem. Let us take, we have to find out that e to the power minus x square dx, we have to prove rather, is equal to root pi by 2. All right. We have to prove e to the power minus x square dx is equal to root pi by 2, where the limit goes from 0 to infinity. Now, this particular integral you will encounter many times, and directly you will have been given the value. But how it has come, let us see. In future, you will be using this particular integral a lot, or this type of integrals a lot. So, so now I want to find out its value. That means this is, I want to prove that this is equal to this. So I will use two methods. So first of all, we will use this root gamma function by use of gamma function. So let us suppose that u is equal to x square. So it means du is equal to 2x dx. In other words, dx is equal to 1 by 2x du, and dx is equal to 1 by twice of root u du. Can we write down it like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. So, and the limits will remain same, if I am not mistaken. Limits will remain same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When we change the variable, doesn't matter. This will remain same. So, e to the power minus, what it will be? U into 1 by twice of root u du. Or I can write down it as 0 to infinity, 1 by 2 I can take out, e to the power minus u to the power 1 by 2 minus u du. Can I write down it like
Yes,
this?
sir.
Okay. This is what? Gamma 1
1
by
by
2,
2, sir.
right? And gamma 1 by 2 is root pi.
Root pi.
So root pi by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is one method. Okay. So easily one can find out, one can prove that this particular integral is equal to this. Now we will see it with the alternative method, another method. Have you all written it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now alternatively, you will enjoy this thing, that how can we solve alternatively this one. This is very interesting thing. So let us consider that this integral is equal to I, and this is 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square dx. This is the integral given to us, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now let me consider, because of the symmetry, let me consider that this is I and this is 0 to infinity e to the power minus y square dy. There is no difference between these two integrals. Only
Yes, sir.
I have changed it from x to y, doesn't matter. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am going to take the multiplication of these two integrals. So I multiply these two. So what I'll get I square 0 to infinity e to double integral 0 to infinity once again e to the power minus x square plus y square dx dy. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is okay then. I have previously seen that if I use x equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, that is, I use polar coordinates, then in that case, this dx and dy can be written as r theta, r dr, d theta. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
और थीटा की लिमिट क्या होगी? 0 to pi
0
by 2,
pi by 2
and this will be r की लिमिट 0 to
infinity.
infinity.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
E to the power minus r square I can write down. X square plus y square is simply r square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And in place of dr d theta, I can write down it like this. So in place dx dy, I can write down dr d theta, r dr d theta. Okay. So now there are two integrals, one dependent only because theta only it goes from 0 to pi by 2, and r goes from infinity to 0 to infinity. Okay, यहां तक तो क्लियर है सबको?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ऑल राइट, अब इसको जरा सॉल्व करते हैं. लेट मी कंसिडर दैट दिस इंटीग्रल इज I1. So I1 is equal to, let me consider that r square is equal to t. So 2 dr is equal to dt. Can I write down it like this?
Yes, sir.
So I can write down 0 to infinity, and the limits will not change, I guess.
No, sir.
They are not going to change. So 0 to infinity, this will be e to the power minus t, and dt by 2. Is it okay? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now this is equal to, if I integrate it, what I will get? Simply pi by 2. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And multiplied by 1 by 2, 0 to infinity e to the power minus t dt. And what this will imply? Pi by 4, this will be minus e to the power minus t 0 to infinity. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And therefore this will be simply pi by 4 because this is 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this was I square. So I is equal to क्यों?
Both method are easy.
Both methods are easy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So the integral which we are, we were finding it very hard. It turns out to be very easy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now we go to the next problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have been given a problem that 0 to 1 x dx by root over 1 minus x to the power 5. I want to solve this. I'll show you that I can convert it into beta function and then I can solve it. Right? So let us put x to the power 5 is equal to sine square theta. So that x is equal to sine to the power 2 by 5 theta. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the derivative of this? 2 by 5 sine to the power minus 3 by 5 theta cos theta and d theta. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now when x is equal to 0, then theta is also 0 from
Yes,
this.
sir.
And when x is equal to 1, theta is equal to pi by 2.
Yes, sir.
Right? So the limits will change and we shall put value of x, we will put value of dx. So in this particular integral, so this will be 0 to pi by 2. X means sine to the power 2 by 5 theta. Dx is 2 by 5 sine to the power minus 3 by 5 theta cos theta d theta divided by cos theta. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I can write down it like this as well. 2 by 5 I can take out over here and I can write down it as into 1 by 2, 0 to pi by 2, pi by, 1 by 2 into 2 actually, right? Into 2 sine to the power 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5. How much it will be?
Next one.
Minus 1 by 5.
Minus?
Minus 1 by
1 by 5.
1 by 5.
So I can write down is a 2 into 2 by 5 minus 1. Is there any problem? 2m minus 1 form? लिख सकते हैं ना ऐसे?
Yes, sir.
And cos to the power 0 theta d theta. ठीक है? So this can also be written as 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. Can I write down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I can write down it is 2 by 5. अच्छा 2 से 2 cancel हो गया. 1 by 5. And this whole thing can be written as beta function. So that beta function is beta. M is 2 by 5. N is 1 by 2. Any issue with this?
No, sir.
No.
Now 1 by 5 I can also write down as gamma 2 by 5 into gamma 1 by 2 by gamma 2 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay? Can I write down it like this?
Yes, sir.
So I can write down it as root pi by 5 because sine gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So this gamma 2 by 5 by gamma 4 by 5 plus 1. Can I write down it like this? The denominator 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is equal to root pi by 5 into gamma 2 by 5 into 4 by 5, gamma 4 by 5. Can I write down it like this?
सर 2/5 plus 1/2 से 4/5
गामा 4
plus
by 5 कैसे हुआ?
yes sir
9/2 नहीं होगा ये, 9/5 नहीं होगा ये.
हाँ yes.
oh
गलत है?
No, sir.
So I can write down it like this. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n फॉर्मूला से लिख सकते हैं ना इसको हम ऐसे.
Yes sir.
ओके. सो 5 और 5 कैंसिल हो गया तो हो गया √π/4 इंटू गामा 2/5 बाई गामा. ठीक है? क्लियर?
Yes sir.
ओके. All right. So now let us look at another problem. That we have 0 to infinity dx by 1 plus x square to the power 5. We have to prove that it is equal to 35 pi by 256. Tell me how should we proceed? How should we proceed it?
x स्क्वायर को t मान लेंगे सर.
हैं?
x स्क्वायर को t,
फिर उसे क्या होगा?
फिर सर
सर
हाँ बोलो.
x को tan थीटा मान लेते हैं हम.
हाँ
x स्क्वायर को tan थीटा
तो
ठीक है.
x
x इज इक्वल टू tan थीटा मान लिया.
तो वो
तो
cot
dx
स्क्वायर
क्या
थीटा हो जाएगा.
sec स्क्वायर थीटा.
तो वो cot स्क्वायर थीटा हो जाएगा नीचे.
तो चलो देखते हैं. तो अब लिमिट्स क्या हो जाएंगी? थीटा इज इक्वल टू
0
0
to
एंड 2π/2 ना.
π/2.
ठीक है.
Yes sir.
तो 0 to π/2 dx की जगह पर हम क्या रख देंगे?
sec स्क्वायर
sec
थीटा
स्क्वायर थीटा d थीटा
d थीटा.
है ना. और यहाँ पर ले सकते हैं 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा, मतलब sec स्क्वायर थीटा ही होगा. sec स्क्वायर थीटा टू द पावर 5. कैन वी राइट डाउन इट लाइक दिस?
Yes sir.
हैं? लिख सकते हैं. तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 0 to π/2 d थीटा बाई cos टू द पावर 8 थीटा. कैन वी राइट डाउन इट लाइक दिस?
Yes sir.
नो सॉरी, sec टू द पावर 8 थीटा.
sec कौन सा?
हाँ, sec टू द पावर 8 थीटा लिख सकते हैं हम इसको.
yes sir
सर.
और इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 0 to π/2 cos टू द पावर 8 थीटा d थीटा. कैन वी राइट डाउन?
yes sir
Yes sir.
और इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 0 to π/2 साइन 0 थीटा टू द पावर 0 थीटा cos टू द पावर 8 थीटा d थीटा. हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1/2 बीटा
9/2.
1/2
9/2.
9/2. ये लिख सकते हैं ना.
Yes sir.
So this will be 1/2 beta 1/2 is gamma 1/2 into gamma 9/2 by gamma 1/2 plus 9/2 10/5. ठीक है? राइट?
Yes sir.
Yes
तो
sir.
सॉल्व करो इसको. यहाँ पर 2 बार तो √π आएगा, तो पाई हो जाएगा वो, है ना. π/2 इंटू जो भी है 7/2 इंटू 5/2 इंटू 3/2 इंटू 1/2 बाई फैक्टोरियल 4 है.
105 by 384.
हाँ?
105 by 384.
नो वी हैव टू प्रूव 35 पाई बाई 256, तो उतना ही आना चाहिए. थ्री से 3 भी कैंसिल हो गया. ठीक है, तो 35 तो ऊपर आ ही रहा है.
35 by 128.
128 आ रहा है ना. 4 8 16 32 into 4 128 into 2 256. ठीक है ना.
यस सर.
ओके, सो नाउ इसी तरीके से आप निकाल सकते हो 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 4 theta d theta. कितना वैल्यू आएगा इसका? फाइंड आउट.
सर वो 128 ही होगा.
128 कैसे होगा? 4 into 2 है यहाँ पर. टू टू दी पावर 5 32 into 2 64 into 4 256 होगा.
हाँ सर.
ध्यान से देखो ना थोड़ा सा बेटा.
1/2 सर वो बगल में छूट गया था.
नहीं ये है ना, ये वाला 2 ये भी है.
पाई बाई 8 आएगा सर.
हैं?
पाई बाई 8.
5 by 8 कैसे आएगा? यहाँ 7 into 5 है तो 35 पाई बाई
इस-
256.
नो सर इसका.
किसका पाई बाई?
कॉस.
अच्छा
cos-
इसका पाई बाई. अच्छा 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 अच्छा. नहीं पाई बाई 2 तो नहीं आएगा भाई. गलत किया है तुमने कहीं पर.
So pi by 16.
5 by
3 pi
16 नहीं आएगा.
3 pi by 16.
3 pi by 6.
हाँ
3 pi by
16.
16.
हाँ 3 pi
Sir,
by
3
16.
pi by 16.
हाँ
sir.
3 pi by 16 is 3 pi by 16 is okay. So I think आज समझ में आया.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
ओके सो अब बाकी नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे. ऑल राइट.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
ओके
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir. Good day sir.
गुड डे गुड डे गुड डे.